eyes. Please like, follow, and subscribe for more health tips. The anatomy of the human eye. The human eye is an organ of sight that is located at the orbital cavity and is semi-spherical in shape. It's about 21 to 27 millimeter. The layers of the human eye. The layers of the human eyes, we have the outer layer of the eye. The outer layer contains the cornea, the sclera, conjunctiva, tear gland, and eyelid. The cornea is a transparent structure which is dome-shaped and it helps to focus light into the eye. The sclera is a white part of the eye. It helps to provide structural support to the eyes. The conjunctiva is a transparent membrane, a thin transparent membrane covering the sclera. The eyelid, it protects the eye and distributes tears when you blink your eye. It helps to distribute tears when you blink your eye. The tear gland produce tears that moisturize or water the eye and protect the eye surface. Also help to protect the eye from infection. That's the outer layer of the eyes. Then the middle layer of the eyes, we have the choroid, the ciliary body, the iris, the pupil. The choroid, as you can see, the choroid is a layer containing blood vessels and they nourish the retina. The ciliary body, it produces aqueous humor that control the shape of the eye. The iris, it controls the amount of light entering the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil. While the last one here is the pupil. The pupil is the opening in the center of the iris that allow light ray to enter the eyes. The inner layer of the eye. The inner layer of the eye contains the lens, the ciliary body, the aqueous humor, and the retina. The lens is a transparent structure that is found behind the iris. It helps to focus light into the retina. The lens is a transparent, flexible structure behind the iris that focuses light into the retina. The ciliary body. The ciliary body is located around the lens. It contains ciliary muscles that changes the shape of the lens for focusing, that is for accommodation, and it produces aqueous humor. The ciliary body produces aqueous humor. The vitreous humor. The vitreous humor, it's a clear gel-like structure that fills the space between the lens and the retina. It helps maintain the shape of the eye and support the retina. The retina. The retina is the light-sensitive inner layer of the back of the eye. It contains rods and cones that convert light into nerve signals sent to the brain. The macula. The macula is a small area in the retina responsible for central vision and detailed sight. The central foveae. The central foveae is the center of the macula. It has the highest density of coin and is responsible for the sharpest vision, which is the point of central vision. The optic nerve. The optic nerve, it transmits visual information, which are called impulses, from the retina to the brain. Is the point where the cone and rod leave the eye. The optic disc. The optic disc, also called the blind dot or the blind spot, is an area where optic nerve exits the eye. It lacks photoreceptors, hence is referred to as the blind spot. The blood supply to the eyes is by the ophthalmic artery, while the venous drainage is by the ophthalmic vein, that is the superior ophthalmic vein. The nerve supply is through three nerves: optic nerve, which is for seeing; oculomotor nerve, which is for moving most muscles plus the pupil; trigeminal nerve for feeling the eyes and the face. So we've come to the end of the human eye. On my next video, I'm going to talk about the visual pathway, which is the pathway or the route by which visual information travel from the eyes to the brain. So follow, share, and subscribe for more health tips.